In this video, we will learn how we can create a custom 404 page in WordPress. Basically, there are two types of WordPress themes. One is block editor and other is classic theme. About 30% of the WordPress themes are block themes and 70% are classic themes. So we will demonstrate the two methods for both two types. First, we will show how you can add a custom page in block theme. Firstly, log into your dashboard and go to Appearance. And under Appearance, you will find editor option on the left sidebar right here. Click on it. Here you can directly edit your theme. Go to Templates option and look for page 404. Here it is. You need to click on it. You will see it visually or like this as a code. You can go in this mode by clicking the three dots on the right top. Here you can see the visual editor and you can also see the code editor. You need to make sure that you are in code editor. Simply remove this code and copy the following pre-made template. You can find it in the video description. We have already created it. Simply copy and paste in this page. Finally, you need to save this page. Our custom 404 page is now ready. Let's visually see it again. We will refresh our 404 page and you can see a nice page here with a search bar and a button to home. You can edit the code to make it visually more appealing if you want to. Now we will see how we can use the second method for classic theme. Currently we have applied generation press theme and we have a child theme for it. Basically, for classic themes, you need to go in the C panel to add a custom 404 page. So without that, it's not possible. To do it safely, we have created a child theme of WordPress and activated it as well. You can see how you can create a child theme for your theme in the following video available on our channel. So we have already installed WordPress theme and also created a child theme for it and activated it. So any change in the child theme will reflect on the original WordPress theme. So this way, we do not break anything in our original WordPress theme. So it's really useful option. It's optional. You can directly edit the WordPress or your own theme as well, but it's much safer. Firstly, we will show you how our 404 page looks like. You can see it's simply boring. Now, to edit it, you need to access your website cPanel. In our case, we have Hostinger account and we have hPanel. Here, you need to go to your file manager. Here, go into your public HTML folder and go into WP content. Then go into themes. And here, you need to go into the WordPress child. If you do not create child theme, you can directly go into your activated theme. Now we will create a new file and name it as 404.php. So basically you need to add this page. Here we will add a custom 404 page code. Simply copy and paste it here and save it. Now let's revisit our 404 page and you can see this page has been updated successfully. So it's really simple to do it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe.